So this young couple had invested in a property, and when they lifted the floor, they found this big pine floorboards. They wanted to keep them, but they just wanted to modernise them a little bit. So they've got me in to fully restore the floor. So we started off by levelling off the floor by cutting the boards on a 40 grit on a 45-degree angle. This levelled the floor and took off most of the old coating, but it did take some doing. There was lots of low point cooking, there was hardwood, which is quite common with pine. So we went along the boards after going on the diagonal, started to cut it, and by now we're really starting to level it out. Starting to see the grain popping through, and all of a sudden it becomes really enjoyable. So this project took me just over 2 days, and it was a full sand. We added a stain, which I'll show you the colour shortly, and then we applied 3 coats of a ceramic 1K lacquer to give it durability, because this customer had some pets. So here's the floor that's been fully sanded and levelled. As you can see, it looks beautiful. And here's a little sneaky peek of the stain that we're applying. So it's a fast drying stain, and it's called Strong White. So it rolled on really nicely afterwards, and here's the finished look. So as you can see, it's all level, it looks brand new. The cupping's all gone, and it's all protected. So little gift for the customer, so they could see the floor in its full glory. And here's the lovely couple, and I'm really thankful for the business. Please like and subscribe.